Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken pizza. First, let's get our foundation right. The dough. You'll want to start with 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Mix this with about 2½ cups of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. Knead it for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth, then let it rise for at least 1 hour. This step is crucial for a perfect, airy crust. Next up, the stars of our show, the chicken and the sauce. Take about 8 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast, cook it thoroughly, and then shred or dice it. Don't forget to season it well for maximum flavor. For the sauce, a classic marinara works beautifully, or perhaps a creamy garlic sauce for a richer taste. Make sure it's ready to spread evenly over your risen dough. Now for the fun part, assembling your masterpiece. Gently roll out your dough into a nice 12-inch circle on a lightly floured surface. Spread your delicious sauce all the way to about 1 inch from the edge, creating that perfect crust. Then, scatter your prepared chicken and any other favorite toppings. Finally, cover everything with a generous 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Almost ready for the oven. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to a hot 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza onto a preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Let it cool for 5 minutes before slicing into 8 delicious pieces. Enjoy your homemade chicken pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.